the idea on how to make money trading penny stocks today. The idea of how to make money trading penny stocks may not be a clear idea for many people. It seems like a good idea of things to do at first. Yet, it sounds and seems complicated to understand and to do for beginners. There are many things within the scope of penny stock trading to understand, before getting to the wonderful idea of making money out of it. These are some of the things to dig deep, which hopefully will help to make money from penny stocks trading in the future. 1. The penny stocks tiers. Just before realizing the idea of how to make money trading penny stocks, it is important to understand the different tiers or levels of penny stocks itself. In general, there are 4 tiers of them that each one of them is valued differently. The first tier will be the major stocks traded in places like Nasdaq with the highest price at $5. The second tier is the traditional one that is often priced between 99 cents and 1 cent. The third tier is the so-called sub-penny stocks priced at 1 penny only. The last tier is the one known as 000, since it has its price of only between 0.0001 and 0.0009 cents for each. The more expensive one will provide a higher profit in the end. 2. The best stocks to buy and sell. There are so many stocks out there in the market, so that understanding how to make money trading penny stocks is crucial. That includes the ability to find which one is the best to buy and sell. The first sign that stocks are worth investing in is the one owned by companies that are making money. The companies will grow, and that growth means more expensive prices of the stocks. The second sign is that the companies that own and sell the stocks need to have clear strategies and plans for the future. When they sell their stocks, they will need to deliver the idea regarding the use of the money. Without a clear plan for the future within the company, the stocks of that company are not worth investing in. 3. The ability to read the stock chart patterns. The next thing to do on how to make money trading penny stocks is to read the patterns of the stock chart within the market. Both fundamental and technical analysis is required to get the idea of the market before buying and selling stocks. Fundamental analysis will use the information regarding the companies and many aspects to providing insights in terms of buying and selling the stocks. On the other hand, the technical analysis will provide some patterns to signify the best times to either buy or sell the stocks for the best profit. It is possible to make money out of penny stock trading. Yet, the ways on how to make money trading penny stocks are not only a couple. There are many ways with many things involved to guarantee a better amount of profit gained in the end. Click the link below in the description to learn more.